motorcycle factory on Earth, molten steel meets advanced robotics in a seamless dance of creation.
All parameters are within tolerance. Confirmed. The weld penetration is perfect. That glowing steel could become your next motorcycle in less than 1 day. Before a motorcycle exists, every perfect ride starts with carefully selected raw steel.
Before sparks fly, every surface must be perfectly clean.
One tiny flaw here could affect thousands of motorcycles later. Even invisible dust can ruin the next manufacturing step.
Now, ordinary metal is only moments away from becoming something unforgettable.
Every weld must be flawless, because this frame carries every future mile. This is where thousands of separate pieces finally begin becoming one motorcycle.
The temperature on joint 7 is normalizing right on schedule.
Good. Let's increase the flow rate slightly on the rear section.
A fraction of a millimeter can decide whether the frame passes or fails.
Before paint, every frame receives protection designed to last for years.
Rough welds disappear until every surface feels perfectly seamless.
The coverage on these frames is excellent. I agree. We can sign off on this batch.
Heat transforms soft powder into an incredibly durable finish. Hundreds of perfectly matched gear teeth will soon transfer every burst of power. Now, two separate masterpieces finally become one machine. Stopping safely demands the same precision as accelerating fast. Perfect alignment means stability at every speed. Hidden beneath the bodywork, thousands of electrical signals will control every ride. For the first time, this motorcycle begins communicating with the world. The fuel system must deliver perfect flow before this machine can breathe. Every curve of the exhaust is engineered for power, efficiency, and sound. Without precise cooling, even the strongest engine couldn't survive. The motorcycle finally begins revealing the design riders recognize instantly.
The AI flagged a subsurface inclusion right here.
Confirmed. The texture scan shows a 0.5 micron anomaly.
comfort is engineered just as carefully as speed. One switch transforms thousands of components into a living machine.
Look at the temperature readings on the fifth cell. It's exceeding the threshold parameters. Reroute the power cycle and monitor the diffusion rates.
After countless hours, the engine finally takes its very first breath.
The torque curve looks strong right here.
And emissions are well within the acceptable range.
Thousands of bumps are simulated before the first real road ever appears. Heavy rain inside the factory prevents surprises outside. The LiDAR scan is showing an anomaly on the rear axle housing.
I see it. Rerunning the diagnostic sequence now.
Technology checks the numbers, but experienced hands make the final decision. Every motorcycle experiences its first virtual highway before leaving the factory. This permanent identity will follow the motorcycle for its entire lifetime. The factory work is nearly complete, but one final journey still remains. Every polished surface is shielded from scratches during the journey ahead. One final scan connects every motorcycle to its future destination. Inventory levels on aisle 12 are optimized.
Good. Have the AGVs prioritize the new shipment on level 5.
Dale, más despacio a la izquierda. Eso es, bájalo con cuidado.
One factory can supply dealerships across entire continents with remarkable precision.
After an incredible journey, every motorcycle is finally ready to meet its new owner.
Inside the motorcycle factory, every ride has a beginning.
Thousands of miles of travel begin with perfect paperwork.
Every departing truck carries months of engineering toward riders across the globe.
Some motorcycles travel across entire oceans before reaching their first owner.
The final delivery is the first exciting moment for future riders.
One last inspection ensures everything is perfect before the keys change hands. After an incredible journey, the motorcycle finally meets the person it was built for.
Every unforgettable ride begins with thousands of carefully engineered moments.
One motorcycle's journey ends here, but the next incredible build has already begun. Subscribe for more amazing factory stories.
The projections for the night build are here. The robots are calibrated for the new chassis.
All right, looks good. We'll take it from here. Is the blue light calibration complete?
Production never truly sleeps. Precision continues around the clock.
We have a slight deviation on the torque vectoring mount, right here.
Okay, let's adjust the parameters and rescan.
Building world-class motorcycles also means reducing waste wherever possible.
Behind every finished motorcycle stands an entire world, working together in perfect rhythm.
From raw steel to a finished motorcycle, every detail was earned, not rushed.
The tolerances look perfect on this run.
We're ready for the assembly line.
Your next adventure may